If you want to know how you can edit photos on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Photos app and select the photo which you want to edit. After you select the photo, just tap on the edit button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, you will open the edit section. In the edit section, you will find the adjust page first. In the adjust page, you will find the option to automatically adjust the photo. And if you select automatic, your iPhone will automatically edit the photo for you. And also you can edit your photo manually. For example, you can tap on exposure and from here you can increase or decrease the exposure manually. And also you can control the brilliance, the highlights, the shadows, the brightness, the black points, the saturation of your photo, the vibrance of your photo. You can change the temperature of your photo from warm to cool or from cool to warm as you like. And also you can apply a tint to your photo. You can increase the sharpness from here and also you can adjust the definition of the photo. If you have noise in your photo, you can reduce it from here. And also you can apply a vignette effect from here, just like that. And after the adjust section, you will find the filters of your iPhone. And from here, you can apply any filter to your photos. As you can see, these are all the filters available. After the filter section, you will find the option to crop your photo. From here, you can crop your photo. You can tilt your photo vertically and also you can tilt your photo horizontally. And finally, after the crop section, you will find the option of magic eraser. Just tap on the eraser icon over here. Now just mark over any object on your photo which you want to remove. Now for example, I will mark over this cloud. Now as you can see, it has successfully removed the cloud which I have marked on. Just like that. And also if you want to mark over your photo, you can tap on the marker icon over here and you can mark over your photo from here. You can change the color of your marker. Just like that. And once you're done editing, just tap on done, then select done to save. And as you can see, this is how you can edit your photos. And also if you have edited your photo and if you do not like the edit, you can always revert to the original photo. For that, just tap on the three dot over the edited photo and over here you can select revert to original. And once you do that, you will revert the photo to the original photo before editing it. And this is how you can edit photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.